Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Do you want to share your WhatsApp link with your family or friends but don't know how to get it? Don't worry because you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own WhatsApp link. Make sure to follow my instructions carefully so you won't miss anything. The process I'm going to show you works on both iPhone and Android devices, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. First, open the WhatsApp application on your device. Now, as you can see here, WhatsApp doesn't have a specific option for copying your WhatsApp link, unlike other social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. But don't worry, we can manually generate the link. To start, open a conversation with someone you'd like to share your WhatsApp link with. Next, you need to type the following: https://wa.me/ and then add your WhatsApp phone number. Here's something important to remember. When entering your phone number, make sure to include your country code first and leave out the plus sign at the beginning of your number. For example, in my country, we use the code +639 for the Philippines, so I would type +639 followed by my phone number. Once you've typed the correct link, send it into the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp link. Now, you can share this link with anyone, and when they click on it, it will instantly open a conversation with you on WhatsApp. This is especially useful for sharing your contact without needing to manually save your number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so now for more helpful tutorials and tech tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.